Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping synchronization and signing out. Open the OneDrive app, tap your profile, then tap Sign Out to cut account sync. Once done, check Settings Accounts to remove any linked Microsoft account entries for OneDrive. Tap the account and remove. Make sure important files are already saved locally. If not, use the app's Export or Save to Device option. These steps prevent data loss and let you safely proceed to app removal. Next, go to Settings, Apps, OneDrive, and force Stop to halt background processes. Tap the three dots or App Details and choose Uninstall Updates. This often enables the Disable button on Samsung phones where OneDrive is pre-installed. Once updates are removed, tap Disable to stop it from running and hide it from the launcher. If the Uninstall button is available, use it instead. Make sure to review app permissions and storage to confirm no residual sync remains. Finish by clearing cache and data. Settings, Apps, OneDrive Storage, Clear Cache and Clear Data, which removes local credentials. Use My Files to find and delete any remaining OneDrive folders. Restart the phone to ensure changes stick and check accounts to ensure OneDrive/Microsoft entries are gone. Troubleshooting tip: if OneDrive reappears after an update, go back to Play Store, tap the three dots. Disable Auto Update for OneDrive or uninstall updates again to prevent reinstallations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.